On February 13th, voters will have the opportunity to renew the Educational Programs and Operations Levy and continue to support learning for all scholars in Federal Way Public Schools. We have a strategic plan with big, bold goals that journey from the early years and persist to graduation. The EP&O levy supports all 5 goals. Bonds are for building and levies are for learning. Bonds are for new construction and rebuilding of schools. Levies pay for the learning that takes place inside the schools, like teaching staff, nurses, security staff, utilities, and extracurricular activities. We serve approximately 23,000 scholars at 38 school sites, and we believe in each of our scholars having a voice, a dream, and a bright future. The replacement levy is not a new tax. Our voters have continuously supported the EP&O levy since 1980. This 4-year EP&O levy replaces the current levy that will expire in 2018. The replacement EP&O levy reduces taxes by $20 million each year. This is a significant tax decrease for local property owners, 37% less than the current levy, and the average homeowner will pay $570 less beginning in 2019. This levy is 10% of the overall budget and funds approximately 300 staff positions beyond what the state provides. Educational programs and operations levy dollars funds staffing positions, like classroom teachers, nurses, and security. The EP&O levy supports educational programs like special education, English language learner services, music offerings, athletics, and after-school programs. The state funds 3.5 nurses. The levy fills in the gap, funding the remaining 19 positions needed to adequately care for our scholars. The state funds 4 security positions, and the levy fills in the gap, funding the remaining 12 positions needed. The EP&O levy collection for 2018 is estimated to be similar to the tax years of 2016 and 2017. Beginning in 2019, the tax rate will decrease significantly from an estimated $3.58 to $1.50 per $1,000 of assessed value. Voters have the opportunity to renew the Educational Programs and Operations Levy on the February 13th, 2018 special election ballot. Please remember to vote in the special election on February 13th, 2018. Do you have any questions or comments? We want to hear from you. Contact us at 253-945-2000 or email us at comments@fwps.org. For more information, visit our website at www.fwps.org.